Hello guys, my name is Sandeep Ahuja. I am from Electronics and Communication branch. I got selected in Sapient Global Markets. Basically, it is a uh, software consultancy company, and I'm shooting this video for the next big step. I hope you find it very helpful in your placement season. I got a package of about 4.5 lakhs. The schedule is as follows for the company. On Friday, I suppose, the company gave its presentation, pre-placement talk, and on the same day, there was a written round, which was online. There were about 250 people who applied for this company, and basically there was no cutoff criteria, and there were backlogs were allowed, so everyone was able to give the paper. So they did not have any criteria for percentage criteria at all. So basically it had a written round consisting of many subsections. About it was about a 2.5 hour online test, and it had it was a lengthy test having many questions, about 10-20 questions in every sections, and every sections like aptitudes there. It had aptitude section, data interpretation section, programming section, English section. So the level of the test was quite okay. It was moderate, it was not that tough. You can do if you are having a little bit good aptitude. And the programming question, basically you should be having a good programming aptitude, and the questions were quite theoretical of data structure, C++. So on that day, there were two or three sets of examination, online examination, where 250 people were like arranged for every sections. And after 2 days, the programming result came. Sorry, the written result came, and about 38 students were selected. We got a mail that we are selected for the next round. So about 38 students got selected in the first round, and after 2 days, or the third day, we were scheduled for the interviews. And in the interviews, basically there were two rounds. The first round was technical, and it was an elimination round. So in the technical round, there were questions like from aptitude, programming, puzzles, basically. So it depended, all depended upon your panel, your branch. About they even asked about your training. Some of them were asked about their training and everything. So for this round, you should be having very good aptitude skills. Like you should be able to solve puzzles. You should have practiced some puzzles, like the puzzle questions. You should be we're quite in touch with them. We were quite Some of the questions were kind very familiar questions that which are asked everywhere. So, and the programming, you should be good in your C++ and data structures concepts, and they were mostly more inclined towards data structures. And we were asked questions from trees and concepts of trees, linked list. A little bit of programming we have to solve. We have to write a program there. So after this first round, about out of 38 students, 14 got selected and others were eliminated. So the next round was HR round, and I think you should be prepared beforehand for the HR round, because uh, you should be prepared with basic HR questions found in the internet, like your strength, weakness, your interest, what you want to ask about the company, and all these questions you should be prepared. You should not think so much before. You should be clear of what you are and what are your aims, and why you want to join the company. What is your interest, basically. You should be clear with these questions. And in the HR question, in the HR round, out of 14, 12 were finally selected and given the final placement letters, offer letters. And I thought this video will help you get through Sapient.